I grew up on the Navajo Nation reservation, so I am Diné, and I'm also Hopi, and was born and raised in the western part of the Navajo Nation, learning at an early age my relationship with nature, and my family is just very spiritual. It's really interesting because a lot of people don't know that tribes have been doing wildfire mitigation for tens of thousands of years. The Native American Conservation Corps partnership made sense because it was an organization that provided workforce development opportunities to tribes. Wildfire mitigation is part of what the participants are learning, and projects and programs that we have from our wildfire mitigation are key, and also bridging the traditional knowledge with the science